Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Out here in the carving tent, getting ready to carve something that I don't carve. I don't have a lot of experience in it. But I really wanted to carve this piece of driftwood into something cool. And we're gonna try to put a face in there. Now, I don't do a lot of these things, right? I haven't done a lot of it. I don't have a lot of practicing. Normally it's bears and owls and, you know, animals and things, but I think this looks super cool coming up here at the top, and part of me wants to put like half a face, or I'm not really sure. I'm not really planning it out a whole lot other than just kind of winging it and going for it. So if you guys are interested in that, be sure to stick around and let's see how it goes. Figured I'd stop quick, just give you guys a close look as to what's going on here. Let me know what you guys think so far. We're gonna get into the mouth right now and hopefully wrap the piece up. Give me a like, give me a follow, hit subscribe, guys. Thanks. Well guys, here he is, done. Smoking a cigar. This was a cool piece. This was fun. I should probably do more of these. This was a good time. Doing something different, you know. There's that profile view. You can see the depth. They kind of, the top there kind of looks like hair swooshing off the top of his head, you know. Good fun, good fun. Let me know what you guys think. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit subscribe. Hit that bell. Hit all. Turn on those YouTube notifications, guys. Keep growing this channel. Keep showing your support. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.